Gomphrena, also known as globe amaranth, is a beautiful and versatile flowering plant that can add vibrant colors and texture to your garden. Growing Gomphrena from seed is a rewarding and cost-effective way to introduce this stunning plant to your landscape. In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide to successfully grow Gomphrena from seed, from preparation and sowing to nurturing and maintenance. Choosing the right seeds. Selecting high-quality Gomphrena seeds is the first step towards successful germination. Look for fresh seeds from a reputable supplier or consider saving seeds from a mature Gomphrena plant in your garden. Opt for a variety that suits your preferences, as Gomphrena comes in various colors, including shades of purple, pink, red, and white. Timing and seed starting. Gomphrena thrives in warm climates and requires a long growing season to reach its full potential. Start seeds indoors about 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost date in your area. Fill seed trays or small pots with a well-draining seed starting mix, and lightly moisten the soil. Germination and transplanting. To facilitate germination, maintain a consistently warm temperature of around 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 24 degrees Celsius. Cover the seed tray with a plastic dome or place it inside a plastic bag to create a greenhouse-like environment. Within 10 to 14 days, the Gomphrena seeds should start to sprout. Once the seedlings have developed 2 sets of true leaves, they are ready to be transplanted. Choose a sunny location in your garden with well-drained soil. Harden off the seedlings by gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions over the course of a week before transplanting. Planting and care. Prepare the planting area by loosening the soil and incorporating organic matter or compost. Space Gomphrena plants 12 to 18 inches apart, as they can grow into compact bushy plants. Ensure they receive at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Water the newly transplanted seedlings thoroughly and provide regular irrigation to keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Maintenance and pruning. Gomphrena is a relatively low-maintenance plant. Remove any weeds that compete for nutrients and water. Mulching around the plants can help suppress weeds and retain moisture in the soil. Deadheading spent flowers will encourage the production of new blooms. Pinching back the growing tips of young plants can promote bushier growth and more abundant flowering. Harvesting and seed saving. Gomphrena flowers can be harvested for fresh or dried arrangements. For fresh flowers, cut the stems just as the flowers begin to open fully. Hang them upside down in a well-ventilated area to dry for long-lasting dried flowers. To save seeds for future planting, allow the flowers to fully mature on the plant. Once the flowers have dried, collect the seeds and store them in a cool, dry place.